Hi, I'm going to attempt to show you how to blow an egg to make a hollow egg for crafting. First you have to, I use a paper clip. Let's see, just kind of poke it through the top of the egg, make the hole a little bit bigger. Piece of shell off there. And then go to the bottom of the egg and hold it careful, because I have cracked the whole egg in my hand before. And you just twist a little bit and get it started. And just, hopefully you can see this. Just poke around and make the hole a little bit bigger. Poke. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to take the, probably better in the top. You go through, little cat fur here. It's best if you get it through all the way through the bottom of the egg, the paper clip, and then just kind of stir it around in there because you want to break up that yolk. Hopefully, you make it bigger. Okay, and you just. And it takes a while to get it going. Sometimes if you take it, just give it a good shake. It'll break it up more. Sometimes you feel like you're gonna blow your brains out. Okay, the last one went easier. So I try to pop it, shake it up in there a little bit. Okay, this one's being stubborn. Sometimes you just try to make it a little bit bigger. Because when you craft with it, you'll be putting glue over it so it'll fill up the holes. Shake it some more. This one's being very stubborn. The other one came out real easy. Oops. Well, if you drop it in the egg, you might. Let's try it again. No, it's almost out. Oh my goodness, this one is tough. This is a tough little egg. Success. Then you just want to get some water in it. Egg, and now I have two more. Collecting them every morning when I have my breakfast. So far I haven't broke any. So see you later. making eggs. Whoops, turned on the wrong burner, which I do all the time. Just 2 eggs. And sausage. Just cut up the sausage into little pieces. I pretty much have this every morning for breakfast. Put the TV on in the other room, so it's a little loud. This is made with turkey sausage, the butterball turkey sausage. I'll show the package in a second. Okay. Pretty small. Just to make a, what would you call it? Scrambled egg bowl. I have a 1/4 cup of Fiesta blend cheese. This is the cheese I use. And this is the sausage I use. It's all natural turkey sausage, and I think these are the really good. The butterball. I've tried other brands, but this is the one I like the most. And that should be cooking. Start to cook. Just put your cheese in. Super easy. Little pepper. Just a little salt and pepper. I pretty much eat the same things every day. We go out to eat a lot at the bowling alley. Got a good restaurant there. And that's eggs. Doesn't take very long to cook this. I think I got something on the burgers, kind of smoking. Now if you can hear the birds, they're chirping outside. Cooking eggs. I don't think it's very exciting, but it's what I eat usually every morning. And this morning I blew the eggs so I can have some more eggs for crafting. Get a collection going. So I figured while I had the camera already here in the kitchen, I just cook these up. Let them cook there. Wash some dishes. That's exciting. Pretty much do the dishes as I go along. This is like the best brush I ever found. It's at Bed Bath & Beyond. You put soap in at the end, and These are replaceable, the tops of them, and so you just push that to get the soap to come out. We have a soap dispenser here, but these are the best. They don't leak because they have one that the seal is here where you fill it up, but that one always seemed to leak. So I've been using these kind for years. I just great. I don't like dishwashers. I like my eggs to have a little bit of brown, pretty cooked. So it looks pretty good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hi, here's the latest gadget my husband picked out from Amazon. Something we probably didn't need, but we like it. It's pretty cool. Oh. That's an electronic trash can. And when it flashes red, that means it's going to shut. So you just wipe your hand over it. Of course, it's not like me. It opens. I call him Simon. Thank you, Simon.